Isikhungo sokugoma iCenter of Hope eCape Town International Convention Centre siqale ukusebenza namhlanje njengoba kuzogonywa abantu abangama-700 ukuze kubhekisiswe ukuthi konke kusebenza ngendlela yini. Lapha kuhlelwe ukuthi kugonywe abantu abangama-705 kulezi nyanga ezisithupha ezizayo. Kunezikhungo ezingama-50 zokugoma abantu eCITCC.
It will be a crucial site for the next 6 months because it is an important part of when we need big volumes of people to be able to come through that are mobile, that can get there, while it takes pressure off all other sites where we are continuing to vaccinate all the way into the smallest town across this entire province.
Akhona ukuqala ukuthi Cape Town International Convention Centre isetshenziselwe ukulwa nobhubhane lwesifo iCovid-19. Ngenkathi kuhlasela ihlandla lokuqala lwalesifo zingaphezulu ka-1500 iziguli ezelashelwa eHospital of Hope. Lesibhedlela sinenqala zinde sezingeni kanti sizokwazi ukugcina imigomo okuyiPfizer kanye neJohnson & Johnson. Ukusebenzisana okuphakathi komkhakha wezempilo ozimele nalowo kahulumeni kuthathwa njengokumqoka ekulweni nalo lobhubhane.
We have 2 other mega sites outside of the Western Cape that are moving now at scale. So we've learnt a lot in the process and hopefully we can bring that experience into this partnership. The other point to make is the data coming out about what we've seen is that vaccines work. There is nothing more important. There should be no debate at all. These things work, we have to get vaccinated.
Lesikhungo sizosetshenziselwa ukwelapha laba abangenalo usizo lwezokwelashwa olukhokhelwayo.
This vaccine site now needs to be the biggest or the highest number of vaccines achieved at this specific mega site on the continent. So we've got a nice hairy goal we've got to go for, and already the target is 750,000 people to come through it, but let's see if we can even push that.
Zingama-250 isebenze ikhona kufaka phakathi abagomi nezinye izisebenze ivele emkhakheni wezempilo ozimele nalowo kungowombuso ezizokube isebenza lapha.